Finding the perfect natural and organic face moisturizer can transform your skincare routine. Many conventional products contain harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and preservatives that can irritate or dry out your skin. Organic moisturizers, on the other hand, provide hydration, nourishment, and protection while supporting your skin's natural balance. In this video, we'll explore the best natural organic face moisturizers featuring number 5 top products that are gentle, effective, and packed with wholesome ingredients to restore softness, radiance, and overall skin health. Let's dive into these must-have organic solutions. Kicking off our list at number 1, Weleda Skin Food Light. The Weleda Skin Food Light is a natural organic moisturizer designed to deliver lightweight yet deep hydration. Formulated with nutrient-rich plant extracts, it nourishes the skin, smooths texture, and protects against dryness, making it suitable for normal, combination, or sensitive skin. This cream is an ideal everyday solution for those seeking organic hydration without heaviness or greasiness. Key features. Key ingredients include sunflower seed oil, pansy extract, and chamomile, which calm, soothe, and hydrate the skin. The formula is certified natural and organic, free from synthetic fragrances, preservatives, and parabens. Its lightweight texture allows fast absorption while providing long-lasting moisture and protection for dry patches. Benefits and usage. Weleda Skin Food Light restores hydration, softens roughness, and improves elasticity. Apply a small amount to cleansed face and neck morning and evening. Its gentle formula protects against environmental stressors while supporting natural skin repair. With consistent use, the skin appears smoother, healthier, and radiant, maintaining a soft, comfortable texture throughout the day. Usability. The lotion spreads easily and absorbs quickly, making it ideal under sunscreen or makeup. Its natural scent is subtle and calming, enhancing the application experience. The hygienic tube packaging ensures easy dispensing, while the non-greasy consistency makes it suitable for all-day hydration for most types of skin. Durability. A small amount covers the face and neck effectively, ensuring a single tube lasts several months. The stable organic ingredients retain potency over time, providing consistent hydration and nourishment. Long-term use results in smoother, well-moisturized, and balanced skin, making it a reliable organic solution for daily care. In the second spot, we have OSEA Atmosphere Protection. The OSEA Atmosphere Protection Cream is a natural organic moisturizer designed to hydrate, protect, and soothe sensitive or dry skin. It combines nourishing plant oils with antioxidant-rich botanicals to defend the skin from environmental stressors while maintaining optimal hydration. Its lightweight texture makes it perfect for daily use without leaving a greasy residue. Key features. Key ingredients include algae extract, jojoba oil, and shea butter, which provide hydration, calm irritation, and strengthen the skin barrier. The formula is vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Its blend of antioxidants also supports skin protection against free radical damage. Benefits and usage. OSEA Atmosphere Protection Cream replenishes moisture, enhances elasticity, and supports a smooth, soft complexion. Apply a pea-sized amount to the face and neck after cleansing, both morning and evening. Its antioxidant-rich formula helps defend against environmental damage while reducing sensitivity and dryness. Regular use promotes hydrated, balanced, and radiant skin with improved texture and tone. Usability. It's lightweight, fast-absorbing texture, spreads easily, and layers well with sunscreen or makeup. The natural scent is mild and refreshing, providing a pleasant application experience. Suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive and dry skin, it integrates seamlessly into daily skincare routines without causing irritation. Durability. Only a small amount is needed per application, allowing a single jar to last several months. The organic formulation maintains its effectiveness over time, offering consistent hydration and protection. With regular use, skin appears nourished, soft, and resilient, making it a long-lasting natural solution for healthy skin.
Coming in at number 3 is the Acure Radically Rejuvenating. The Acure Radically Rejuvenating Cream is a natural organic moisturizer formulated to provide intense hydration and anti-aging benefits. Rich in plant-based antioxidants and essential oils, it restores moisture, improves elasticity, and supports a smooth, youthful complexion. Suitable for dry or mature skin, it offers gentle care without harsh chemicals or synthetic additives. Key features: this cream combines chlorella, argan oil, and sea buckthorn to nourish, rejuvenate, and protect the skin. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens, sulfates, and artificial fragrances. The lightweight yet rich texture delivers deep hydration without leaving a heavy or greasy finish. Benefits and usage: Acure Radically Rejuvenating Cream hydrates and softens the skin while minimizing the appearance of fine lines and dryness. Apply to cleansed face and neck morning and evening. Its antioxidant-rich formula supports skin regeneration, improves texture, and enhances radiance. Consistent use helps maintain a plump, youthful, and healthy-looking complexion naturally. Usability: the cream spreads easily and absorbs quickly, making it suitable under sunscreen or makeup. Its pleasant, natural scent adds a sensory benefit without irritation. It's suitable for most skin types, particularly dry and mature skin, and provides daily hydration while addressing early signs of aging. Durability: a small amount is sufficient for full face coverage, ensuring that a single jar lasts several months. The organic formulation preserves ingredient potency and effectiveness over time, delivering long-term hydration, nourishment, and a visibly rejuvenated skin texture. Taking our 4th spot is Pai Avocado and Jojoba. The Pai Avocado and Jojoba Hydrating Cream is a natural organic moisturizer specifically formulated for sensitive and dry skin. It provides deep hydration, soothes irritation, and strengthens the skin barrier with nutrient-rich botanical oils. Its gentle formulation ensures effective moisture retention while maintaining skin balance and comfort throughout the day. Key features: key ingredients include avocado oil, jojoba oil, and aloe vera, which nourish, calm, and protect the skin. The cream is vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. It is dermatologist-tested and designed for sensitive skin prone to redness or dryness. Benefits and usage: Pai Avocado and Jojoba Hydrating Cream restores moisture, enhances elasticity, and protects against dryness and environmental stressors. Apply a small amount to cleansed face and neck morning and evening. Its nutrient-rich formula supports healthy skin function, softens texture, and maintains a hydrated, supple complexion with long-lasting results. Usability: the lotion spreads smoothly, absorbs quickly, and leaves a soft, non-greasy finish. Its mild, natural scent ensures a pleasant application experience. Ideal for sensitive, dry, or combination skin, it layers well with sunscreen, serums, or makeup, making it easy to integrate into any skincare routine. Durability: a small amount provides full face coverage, allowing a single jar to last several months. The organic ingredients maintain stability and effectiveness, ensuring consistent hydration and nourishment. Regular use promotes resilient, soft, and healthy skin, making it a long-term solution for sensitive or dry skin types. And finally, at number 5, we have Mad Hippie Face Cream. The Mad Hippie Face Cream is a natural, organic moisturizer designed to hydrate, protect, and improve overall skin health. Enriched with antioxidants, peptides, and plant-based oils, it supports the skin barrier, smooths texture, and maintains moisture balance.
Suitable for all skin types, it is ideal for daily hydration while addressing early signs of aging and dryness naturally. Key features. This cream combines hyaluronic acid, peptides, vitamin C, and vitamin E to hydrate, brighten, and support elasticity. It is free from parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrances, and GMOs. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, making it suitable for layering under makeup or sunscreen. Benefits and usage. Mad Hippie Face Cream hydrates, softens, and rejuvenates the skin while protecting against environmental damage. Apply a small amount to cleansed face and neck morning and evening. Its antioxidant-rich formula supports elasticity, improves texture, and maintains balanced hydration. Consistent use results in smooth, radiant, and healthy skin naturally. Usability. The cream spreads easily and absorbs quickly, leaving a comfortable, non-greasy finish. Its mild, natural scent enhances the application experience, while the convenient pump dispenser ensures hygienic and controlled application. Suitable for all skin types, it integrates seamlessly into daily skincare routines. Durability. A small amount is enough for full face application, allowing a single jar to last several months. The organic formula maintains its effectiveness over time, providing consistent hydration and nourishment. Regular use supports resilient, soft, and youthful-looking skin, making it a reliable long-term organic moisturizer. And that concludes our guide to the best natural organic face moisturizers that hydrate, protect, and restore your skin without harmful chemicals. From Weleda Skin Food Light to Mad Hippie Face Cream, each of these No. 5 products offers unique benefits to nourish and rejuvenate your complexion naturally. Choosing the right moisturizer and using it consistently is key to maintaining soft, healthy, and radiant skin. Incorporate one of these organic options into your daily routine and enjoy long-lasting hydration, comfort, and a naturally glowing face every day.